Welcome back to my channel, and now you are watching a 3-star resort. The location of the resort is superb and guests love walking around the neighborhood. There are 2 types of rooms available on booking.com. You can book online and enjoy it. You can see more than 100 reviews of this resort on booking.com. Its review rating is 8.3, which is the very good. The check-in time of this resort is 2 p.m. and the check-out time is 12 p.m. Pets are allowed in this resort. The resort accepts major credit cards and reserves the right to temporarily hold an amount prior to arrival. Guests are required to show a photo ID and credit card at check-in. If you have already stayed in this resort, please share your experience in the comment box. For booking or more details, follow the description link. If you are facing any kind of problem in booking a room in this resort, then you can tell us by commenting. We will help you. If you are new in this channel or you have not subscribed our channel yet, then you must subscribe our channel and press the bell icon so that you do not miss any video of our upcoming resorts. Thanks for watching the video till the end. So friends, we meet again in a new video with a new property. Be safe, be happy.